So the first step to making this project is to download the free files. They are available on our website. I will leave a link below. They're available in SVG format and PNG format. So you'll download them from our blog. You'll click on upload, upload image, browse, find them on your desktop, click on open, or wherever you have saved them, and click on upload. So then from here, as you can see, I've actually already uploaded them. You can select them and insert them onto the canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and just hide these ones for now. When you bring them onto the canvas, if you uploaded them as an SVG file, they should already be sized for you. And I have them sized at 4.133 by 3.957. If you upload them as a PNG file, you'll need to change the dimensions up here in size. Just click on the unlock button and type it in. I did want to give you a heads up. Every Starbucks cup is going to be a little bit different size-wise, so just know that yours might need to be a little bit smaller, or you might need to make your decal a little bit bigger. But this has worked pretty consistently for me. If you want to double check, you could do a test cut with some paper and just cut it out, this decal out in paper, and see how that fits on your cup. That's what I did before I landed on these numbers. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one because we're not making it. And then the only other thing that you need to do after you import and then do the size is click on attach in the bottom right hand corner. This is going to tell your Cricut to cut it all together and just hold it into one piece. So you can click on attach, and then from here you can click on make it, and then it will go on their individual mats and you are ready to cut. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my vinyl applied onto the cutting mat. I'm going to do the yellow one first. And I'm using a light grip mat, but a standard grip would work just as well. And then I am using an Air 2 today, but you can use any Cricut. I have it selected to vinyl. If you're using the Joy or the Maker, you'll have to manually search for premium vinyl. And we'll get this cutting, and then I'll cut the mint color next, and then we will weed after that. So we'll get this unloaded, and then I like to flip the mat over to remove the vinyl from the mat. So now we're going to weed. So we're going to be removing the excess vinyl from around our design and inside of it. So I'm using a weeder tool here to just go around and remove the vinyl. And if you need to look at your screen to use as a reference, sometimes I do that as well. But we're just going to reveal our circle. And then all the letters. Okay, so we're all finished weeding. Here's what those two look like. So now I'm going to grab transfer tape. I am using a Cricut's transfer tape, and I'm just going to cut this down to size so that it fits over the decals. So we're going to start by removing the transfer tape from the paper backing that it's on. And then we're going to apply it on top of the vinyl. So I like to start at one end and then work my way down because we want to apply this evenly across. So I like to go left to right usually. So I'm going to start and then just press down. And then use a scraper tool and push down. And then we will do that on the back side as well. And then we can remove that paper backing from the vinyl. Okay, so then grab your Starbucks cup, and then I'm actually going to use the brayer tool to kind of lean the cup against. You can grab whatever works for you. Then from here, we're just going to get our decal lined up over the logo. You'll just want to get it centered. And then when you're ready to push down, we're going to start on one side. So again, I'm just starting on the left and push. And then we will do the right side. And then grab your scraper tool, push really good. And then when you think it's all good, you can go ahead and remove your transfer tape. So I'm just starting in one corner and going down on a 90-degree angle, just kind of rocking back and forth, making sure that everything is staying on my cup, which looks good. And now I'm going to set this off to the side because we'll use that for the next one. And then I like to just go over again with my scraper tool one last time. If you see any air bubbles, you can get those pushed out. But otherwise, this looks perfect. So there is our first cup. And now we will do the same thing to our second cup. And then we're all finished. So there's the second cup. So I just grabbed the lids so you could see what they look like. There are our 2 Starbucks cups. That's how you can apply another decal. So stay tuned for our video next week on another way to add vinyl to your Starbucks cups. We're going to be doing a full wrap next week, so that should be a lot of fun. But if you want to make this project, we have the free SVG and PNG files available on our website. The link is below, and everything that I used today for this project is available on our website as well. So definitely go check that out and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.